Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated process of adding pages to your favorites list on Facebook. This simple feature ensures you never miss updates from the pages you care about most. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. From there, scroll down until you find the Feeds option and select it. Next, you'll see a section labeled Favorites. Tap on it, then choose Manage Favorites. This is where you can customize your list of favorite pages and people. Now, scroll down and locate the Pages option. Tap on it to access all the pages you follow. To add a page to your favorites list, simply find the page you're looking for. You can use the search bar for quicker access if needed. Once you've found the page, tap Add, and that's it. The page will now appear in your favorites list, making its updates more visible in your feed. Repeat these steps for any other pages you'd like to add. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to organize your Facebook experience by prioritizing updates from your favorite pages.